Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing 5 minutes makeup challenge and this is the look which I've created. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. Before starting with the video, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Also, you'll have pressed the bell icon beside it. Also, all the products which I've used in this video are mentioned in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. So I've put on the timer. Now let's get started. So first I'm using the primer by Quirky. I'm just going to take a little bit of it and just press it. Now I'm going to use the foundation, and here I'm using Nykaa's Skin Shade Foundation. I've dotted all over my face. Now to set everything, I'm using this Quirky's loose powder. And again blend it with the same brush. Now for my brows, I'm using Miss Claire's Eyebrow pencil. For the eyeshadow, I'm using this Flower Beauty Chubby stick. For the eyeliner, I'm using CoverGirl eyeliner in the shade Blue. Okay, 1.5 minutes left. For the blush, I'm using Flower Beauty's blush. For the highlighter, I'm using Wet n Wild's highlighter powder. For the lipstick, I'm using Incolor's liquid lipstick in the shade 428. And now I'm using the mascara. I'm using Maybelline's Total Temptation Mascara. 27 seconds left. Okay, time's up. This is the final look. I quite like it. It's very simple and subtle. Whatever I've done is a good job. That's what I feel. Let me know in the comment section below what do you feel about this look. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.